Alright, so today I'm going to take you for a little ride. It's been a long time since we have made another video, so I'm just gonna take a little ride today. I've been up in Angeles seeing my dentist and all kinds of stuff, some medical issues and some other things, so got that taken care of and heading back home. About 140-kilometer ride. Alright, so I guess this up here is Yumbo close to Nepal. Feels funny to be up here. Haven't been here for a long time actually. But Angeles is like it always been. Traffic, despite it's only like, I think like 12:30, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And it's jammed up. That's something you don't see when you live in the countryside. So I don't miss it. Don't miss it at all. Coming up here, I had some issues with the bike. For those of you new, I sold my other bike a long time ago, and then in January I got another one, a cheap one, and cheap is the right word, because I've had a lot of small issues, nothing engine wise, but coming up here, well, it's a long story actually. We had started hearing some noise in it a long time ago, so before I left and came up here, I took it to a mechanic down there, and he changed I think it's called the fly roller for the flywheel, and the noise went away and all fine. And driving up here, halfway up here, it started to making even worse noise. So I said something ain't right. So I have up there in where we lived, Mabalacat, I had a mechanic, excellent. I think Philo uses him quite a bit. Excellent guy. So I went there, and he took the fly roller out and put them on a scale, and so, well, these are only 12 grams, and that's what the mechanic did down here, put them in, and he said the specs is 17 gram for this bike, so that was 5 grams short, so that means it was flopping around in there, extremely high RPM, and he fixed it. So noise going, bike runs good, and this route will take you through Porak. I foresee some rain, and I hope the video is not too hazy. I put it in a watertight encase, so in case it starts raining, the camera is protected. It'll be all right. Alright, so here is something interesting. You guys know Friendship Highway, right? So this is all new stuff since I left. I was nothing here except traffic lights, and this has always been a pain in the butt getting through this intersection. Here to the right, you go down to Koreatown, Friendship Highway. This is going north. So you see the overpass, they just built it the last 6 months. And it's not done yet. Got by there earlier when I came up to Angeles, and they were flushing the bridge off, and I had concrete stain, and I think you can see some of them on my helmet there maybe. This road also they've been working on for as long as I can remember, and it doesn't seem like they ever get done with it. And hopefully there's not too much a bypass. Last time I came by this way, you had to go way out in the countryside and get back so you can get back into the main road here. So kind of driving in a U thing. Don't know if that is still here. Yeah, it looks like it. It was right here, I think. Yep. All the traffic is now rerouted, and we had to go all the way to the other side of Porak and come back. It was just like ridiculous. So I'm gonna try to see if I can't get through. Through the back streets somehow. Fresh smell of barbecue. So I'm going to take, there is a kind of a back road here. I think, I'm not sure what it is called, but we'll find it out. This way to Angeles City. Well, I'm going to try to go here. I don't want to go back to Angeles, but I'm going to try to get out this way and see if I can't get it done. It is just crazy, crazy, crazy. One way, okay. Alright, so we go the other way. Alright, here's the sign. What does it say? End of the city. Alright, so we go there. Not that I want to go back, but at some point, got to be able to make a right turn and continue up to Pork, you know. Try to weird myself around here. It's just crazy. This is crazy. But at some point, I'm going to find my way out, that's for sure. Excuse me. I went and took that jab in January, and I've been having cough ever since. Sniffles. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to go up this road, right? And no right turn. You go left here, you go to Angeles, but I ain't going left. And here we have an officer. Well, and I'm pointing at him, and he said, yeah, you can go, okay? No right turn, but he'll let me go. So, that's a cool thing. Alright. Had I gone one more block, I could have come out up here, apparently, but these back roads are unknown to me, so it's all, it's kind of hard for me to travel them. Anyway, it's a beautiful day to ride. It's a little overcast. Hopefully we don't get any rain. Because it's 140 kilometers, so it's almost 100 miles, 90 miles. And, you know, it's a 3-hour ride going home over the mountains. And I'll see if I have battery enough and SD card enough. I'll record it and put out a couple of more videos later on. I haven't done, you guys know it, I haven't done a whole lot lately. Alright, let me go, bro. Kind of pushing over to the right. Casually smoking. The road I'm taking, actually, because I don't like to go through San Fernando. It's so much traffic and all that. So since I was in Angeles already, this is not too bad of a ride. It's a short distance, and unfortunately it looks like it's going to take 15-20 minutes to get out of here, but on a day with no traffic is probably about 5, 6, 7 minutes. right, so the road we're taking, I think it's called Mega Dike Access Road. This one take you on a bypass all the way through, bypassing San Fernando and traffic, and they have actually lately upgraded the road. It's resurfaced it, and it takes you down to Highway 3, I think it's called, that then will take you into Lubao and Dinalupian. So this is Mega Dike access road, and I don't know how far it is, but I would say maybe 15-20 kilometers. But the road looks pretty much like this, and we are going to sign off here. Very little to see except bushes and trees, and the road is kind of on a built-up ridge, and it goes down there. But anyway, so thanks for riding with us. It's cool. I'll see if I can, like I said, have batteries and SD cards enough. I'll record a couple of more things and slap up a couple of other videos. All right. Thanks for being with us. God bless.